Here's a quick trick about how to annotate your models when it comes to planning out stuff. And I'll try and make this as fast as I can, but I did say this on my community post if you want to check it out. But basically, let's say you're doing a facial rig on your model and you came across the fact that your topology looks very confusing. To be able to keep track on where each vertex should be weight painted when it comes to the bones. All you basically have to do is you'll go to the Annotate tool right here, and you could be able to draw some notes. For my case, I was able to draw multiple notes of my facial rig planning, and you can see for reference if you want to kind of get some inspiration. But of course, keep in mind to make your own reference based on what the model is. But basically, though, as you can see, they're all different color coded because, you know, in the annotation little option right here, you can set layers, you can even set different colors here. If you want to draw on the model, you can enable surface mode right here and be able to draw on the model. But if by any chance you want to keep it on view mode, so no matter where you turn you see the notes, you can just draw here and it's always there on your face. You can also erase by the control button and be able to erase any, mistakes. And also if you need a stabilized stroke for, better quality, you can also stabilize that stroke. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the notes. Once again, you can add layers, you can change the opacity and even the thickness if you wish. But overall, that's my tip for you guys. Hope you enjoy.